So you want to be a Catholic priest? Or maybe you're just curious about what it takes. Either way, grab your Bible and let's dive in. Step 1. Make sure you're serious. This isn't just a career, it's a calling. Think of it like applying to Hogwarts, but for your soul. Step 2. Live a life that reflects your calling. If you're torn between Sunday Mass and Saturday night life, maybe think this through again. Step 3. Seminary life. It's like college, but instead of keg parties, you study theology, philosophy, and how to write really great homilies. Step 4. Be ready to take vows of poverty, chastity, and obedience. Translation: no big salaries, no dating, and yes, you'll always have a boss. Step 5. After years of study, you'll be ordained. Then you'll do all the priestly things. Mass. Confessions. Baptisms. And of course, weddings. And maybe now you got questions, but we've got answers. Can I still have hobbies? Yes, you can still have hobbies. Do I need to be perfect? No, you don't have to be perfect. Can I get married? No, there is no dating, so you can't get married. Fun fact: priests are people too. They tell jokes, they play sports, and they even have favorite snacks. Holy guacamole, anyone. So now it's time for a quick recap. Ensure this is the right journey for you. Apply at your local church. Live a life that reflects your calling and prepare for a few years of studying. Take the vows of poverty, chastity, obedience. Remember that means no dating, no big salaries, and the boss is always watching. Get ordained. And now you are a priest that can enjoy all the fun things like a wedding and maybe even an exorcism now and then. And that's it for today. Now you're ready to start your journey, or just impress your friends with your newfound priestly knowledge. Did you like the video? Please press like and subscribe for more fun. We would love to read your feedback in the comments. We will see you again at the next video. Are you wondering how to become the Pope? Click that video next.